Ever wonder what ghost commerce is all about? I have you covered. Welcome to an intriguing exploration of ghost commerce. It's a revolutionary concept, transforming the way businesses operate in our increasingly digital age. Ghost commerce can seem complex at first glance. But like a phantom, its essence lies in being unseen, yet impactful. It's about streamlining processes, enhancing customer experiences, and driving efficiencies unseen in the foreground. So, what exactly is ghost commerce? It's the invisible network that connects consumers to products and services. It's the system that invisibly handles orders, inventory, and shipping, providing a seamless shopping experience. The future of commerce is ghostly, and here's why. Traditional commerce systems are clunky, slow, and often create frustrating experiences for customers. Ghost commerce, on the other hand, invisibly streamlines the entire shopping journey. Now, let's delve into the benefits of ghost commerce. Improved customer experiences, increased operational efficiency, and expanded market reach are just a few advantages that businesses can reap. Imagine a world where customers can make purchases with a simple voice command or a click of a button. No more lengthy checkout processes, no more out-of-stock disappointments. That's the world ghost commerce is creating. Now, we have to ask, how do businesses adapt to ghost commerce? It starts with leveraging technology. Automation, artificial intelligence, and data analytics are the backbone of this invisible commerce system. But it goes beyond just technology. Businesses must also prioritize a customer-centric approach. Ghost commerce is about making shopping as easy as possible for the consumer, and that requires a deep understanding of consumer needs and behaviors. Though ghost commerce may sound ethereal or intangible, its results are anything but. Increased sales, improved customer loyalty, and reduced operational costs are very real benefits businesses can see with the adoption of ghost commerce. It's important to note that ghost commerce isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires tailored strategies and constant tweaking to best serve individual businesses and their customers. It's both an art and a science. The journey to ghost commerce can seem daunting, but the rewards are worth it. With the right guidance and resources, any business can make the transition and reap the benefits of this revolutionary concept. In conclusion, ghost commerce is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping the landscape of business and commerce. It's the future, and the future is here. Remember, in the world of commerce, sometimes, the things you don't see are the most impactful. Ghost commerce, the invisible powerhouse, is here to stay. Subscribe, like, and comments for more tips. Thanks for watching.